Hello students, today we will discuss about analyze the story 3 questions. 3 questions is an important story written by Leo Tolstoy. It has a moral and philosophical background. The writer teaches us some lessons through a delightful incident. The interest of the story lies in the king's 3 questions and their answers. First, a philosophical note. There is a note of philosophy in the story. The story is moralistic and didactic in tone. The writer intends to convey moral lesson through the story. Through the narration of the incident of the hermit and the wounded man, the writer conveys moral ideas. The answers given by the hermit to the questions of the king are universal and instructive. Next, a plot. In fact, there are 2 stories in its plot. One relates the 3 questions of the king. The other is the story of the wounded man who is wounded in his stomach and who is also the enemy of the king. The hermit is the common link. The king went to the hermit to seek answers to his 3 questions. The hermit led in answering, thus stopping the king from going that day. When the king was showing his displeasure, the hermit noticed a man running towards them. The king noticed a bearded man running out of the wood. Blood was flowing from his stomach. Noticing in a large wound, the king washed it well. The man was, however, saved from dying. Next morning, the bearded man revealed that he was an enemy of the king, who had executed his brother and seized his property. He told that he had come to kill the king. Now the king realized how the hermit had saved his life. By delaying in answering his questions, as the king had saved his life, the bearded man was grateful and become a faithful servant to the king. Next, a note of mystery. The story is full of suspense and mystery. The sudden arrival of the bearded man out of the wood is mysterious and exciting. This man was pressing his stomach with his hands and blood was flowing. It is all mysterious. We became curious to know who this man is and what has happened to him in the woods. His revelation that he was the enemy of the king is also exciting. Next, a conclusion. To conclude the story, 3 questions is unique, is quite exciting and interesting. But it is not devoid of moral lesson. The questions of the king and the way the hermit answers them is quite meaningful. The story is logically concluded. The title is also straightforward and suggestive. Once it appeared to the mind of the king that he would sufficiently reward any person who would answer his three questions. The questions were: what is the right time to begin everything? Who were the right people to listen to and whom to avoid? And third, what was the most important things to do? Many learned men came to the king's court, but they all answered his questions differently. Some suggested that a proper schedule should be prepared to begin our work properly. Some said that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. Equally different were the answers to the second questions. Some said the people the king most needed were his counselors. Some said they were priests, others doctors, and some others said about warriors. For the third question, some said that the most important thing in the world was science, others considered warfare, yet others religious worship. The king, however, was not satisfied with these answers, so he decided to consult a hermit in a wood. He put his questions before the hermit. The hermit was digging the ground. He did not pay attention to the king's questions. The king got irritated and decided to quit. Just then they noticed a man approaching out of the wood. He held his hands pressed against his stomach. His stomach was his handkerchief bleeding. The king washed his large wound and bandaged it with his handkerchief. The wounded man, who was bearded, felt relieved on asking. The man revealed that he was king's enemy and had come to kill the king. But the hermit's delay in answering his questions and saved him. The hermit answered that the most important time was when he was digging the ground. The most important person was the wounded man whom he served and made peace with him. Lastly, his most important business was to serve the wounded man and save his life. Thus, all the questions of the king were answered by the hermit in a practical manner. The bearded man, this story is an enemy of the king. He had a large wound in his stomach and was bleeding heavily. The king washed his wound and bandaged it with his handkerchief and with the towel of the hermit. He felt a deep concern for bearded man's suffering. The bearded man had fainted and knew nothing about the kindness and help of the king. When he revived, the king, with the hermit's help, carried him into the hut and laid him on the bed. The king was so tired doing all this that he slept soundly the whole night. In the morning, when he got up, he found the bearded man lying on the bed and gazing at him with shining eyes. As a matter of fact, that strange bearded man was the king's enemy, because the latter had killed his elder brother and seized his property. He kept a watch on the king as he wanted to kill him so that his revenge might be completed. When the king did not return from the hermit's hut, he reached there to attack the king. Meanwhile, the king's bodyguards recognized him and bounded him. With great difficulty, he escaped from them and reached the hermit's hut, where the king was digging wells to help the hermit. The bearded man was deeply impressed by the king's services. It was only on account of the king's help that his life was saved. He forgot all his enmity and promised to remain a faithful servant of the king all his life. The role of hermit in saving the king's life is also very significant. He had inspired the king of help pupil in misery. He accepted to admit the king to his cottage and allowed him to stay there for a night to get answers.